Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to unlock the power of AI. Whether you're just curious or looking to implement AI in your projects, I've got you covered. First things first, let's understand what AI can do. AI is a broad field with a ton of applications. We're talking about machine learning, which learns from data, natural language processing, that gets machines to understand our languages, computer vision for interpreting images and videos, generative AI that creates new content, and predictive analytics to forecast future outcomes. Pretty cool, right? Next, identify your goals. What do you want AI to do for you? Maybe you need to automate repetitive tasks, analyze huge data sets, improve customer service with chatbots, boost creativity with AI-generated content, or personalize user experiences. Pinpointing your goals will help you choose the right tools. Speaking of tools, let's dive into some options. For beginners, try ChatGPT for text generation, Canva's AI features for design, or Grammarly for writing help. If you're a developer, look into TensorFlow or PyTorch for building models, Hugging Face for NLP, or OpenAI's API for integrating GPT. And for businesses, Salesforce Einstein, IBM Watson, and Google Cloud AI offer robust solutions. Now, if you're itching to go deeper, you'll need to learn the basics. Start with Python. It's the go-to language for AI. Get a grip on AI concepts like supervised versus unsupervised learning and neural networks. Don't forget your data skills. Collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data are crucial. Check out online courses on platforms like Coursera, books like Artificial Intelligence, A Guide to Intelligent Systems by Michael Negnovitsky, and tutorials on YouTube. Once you're ready, start experimenting. Use pre-built platforms like ChatGPT or Midjourney, explore no-code tools like Bubble or Teachable Machine, and test APIs to integrate AI into your projects. Remember, start small and build your confidence. Data is the backbone of AI, so make sure your data is relevant, clean, and labeled correctly. This is essential for training effective models. When it comes to building models, you have options. Use pre-trained models like GPT or BERT for quick results, train custom models if you have specific needs, or fine-tune existing ones to match your use case. Don't forget to evaluate and improve your AI. Test its accuracy and performance, gather feedback, and iterate. Keep an eye on biases and ethical considerations. Stay updated with the latest in AI by following industry news, reading research papers, and joining communities. Blogs from OpenAI, conferences like NeurIPS, and forums like Reddit's R Machine Learning are great places to start. And finally, always consider the ethical implications. Ensure your AI is transparent and fair, protect user privacy, and avoid harmful uses. To wrap things up, AI has endless possibilities, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, to business applications like fraud detection, and creative tools for generating art and music. By following this guide, you can start leveraging AI to achieve your goals. Remember, start small, experiment, and scale as you gain confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.